So that's it. I hope you enjoy and learn how to make this simple recipe named udon. So I'm going to do the mukbang because I'm hungry now. I really recommend this recipe to you because it's healthy and nutritious. As you can see, right, there's a lot of vegetables in here. So I hope you try it soon. Hi everyone, welcome back to another cooking video with yours truly, Chessa. Now the recipe that we are going today is called udon. There is a Japanese style of udon, which is the process is they use seaweed and small fish broth. But now, the one we are cooking today is a Korean udon. Now if you go to Korea, you can find this in a Korean specialized restaurant. Korean udon is non-oily, no fats, and as usual with a lot of vegetables and also with seafoods. So let's cook this simple recipe. Please be with me. Let's cook together. So before we cook this, we have to prepare for our ingredients. Here are the ingredients. This is Chinese radish, spring onion, white onion, zucchini, carrot, and cabbage. These are essentials for our udon. Now this is optional. I use this because I still have it in my fridge. I have enoki mushroom, chives. It is called ganda-ganda in Bisaya. We have Thailand pechay also, and another kind of mushroom. And also, we are going to add an egg, salt with seasonings, black pepper, our fresh noodles. You can use any fresh noodles you have, and also our seafoods. This is shrimp, squid, and octopus. So that's it. Let's begin our cooking. Now that you already know the ingredients, let's start to chop our vegetables. Let's start with Chinese radish. Set aside. Zucchini. Carrot. Cabbage. This is the fresh noodles that I'm gonna be using. I have to blanch it in 3 minutes. Let's start to boil some water. I'm going to make for 2 persons. Cover and let's wait it to boil. Now our water is pretty boiling. Let's add our noodles. We're going to blanch this for only 3 minutes. So it's been 3 minutes. We are going to rinse our fresh noodles. Now I am currently boiling some water. Actually, chicken broth is best for udon, but I don't have it, so I'm gonna use these cubes, chicken cubes. So we are going to add now our veggies. Let's add our seafood. And we're going to add our egg. To add more flavor, I'm going to put a seasoning mix, magic syrup, baka naman. A little of black pepper. This is optional. We know that our cubes and magic syrup is a little tasty already. So just adjust your salt. Going to taste it. Wow! It's already perfect. Now lastly, we have to garnish our other vegetables on top. Now that our cook is done, I'm going to do the plating. Now for the exciting part, the taste test. I'm going to taste first the sapang. This is so good. I'm really glad that I made it now because the result is amazing. No bias. Mukbang. Now, if you want a little spice for your udon, you can add chili powder and also add a minced garlic. And if you want a good aroma, you can add sesame oil. So, thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video.